Namaskaram. Do you know that overindulging in tea and coffee can cause anxiety, restlessness, sleepiness, and high blood pressure? Are you drinking too much tea or coffee? Try these healthy alternatives instead and learn about their benefits. First, Dhanyaka Peya. Roast 1 to 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and make it into a coarse powder. Add 100 milliliters of milk and boil it with mishri or sugar. It helps to relieve excessive body heat and burning sensation. Second, Arjuna Kshetra Pak. Boil 2 grams of Arjuna Pak powder with 50 milliliters milk and 100 milliliters water. Reduce to about 50 milliliters and consume this on an empty stomach. It strengthens the heart muscles and also gives relief from acidity. Third, Pipali Shira Pak. Boil 1 to 2 grams of long pepper powder or 1 to 2 long pepper with 40 ml milk and 100 ml water and reduce this concoction to half. Add mishri if necessary and drink on an empty stomach. This helps in getting rid of cough and chest congestion. Next, mix 4 to 5 tulsi leaves, 1 small cardamom, 2 dalchini, 1 clove and 1 pinch of mace and half teaspoon of dried ginger powder in 100 ml of milk and 100 ml of water. To taste, you can also add jaggery. Drink once or twice daily and this is quite beneficial in alleviating the symptoms of cold. Avaram Senna blossoms, decoction or tea. This helps to keep the blood sugar levels stable. You now have wonderful alternatives to tea and coffee to lead a more healthier lifestyle. We really hope you fall in love with at least one of these drinks and never want to get back to something else. Until next time, Pranam.